Happy Saturday, everybody. I know I just did my last weekly vlog on Wednesday, but I was running a little bit behind. So I thought I would do another one today just to get back on track with when I'm doing them. So I usually try to do them on the weekends or close to the end of the weekend. So I thought I'd do another one. This one won't be quite as long. I've got a couple bags cut out. I haven't made any bags since Wednesday. I've been working on cutting them out, and so I have Julie's snowdrop satchel cut out, and her trailblazer cut out, and Aaliyah's hydrangea hobo bag cut out. Those are my goals of the bags to get done this week. I had forgot to mention Aaliyah's bag in my last vlog, because I didn't have my paperwork in front of me, and I feel sorry, Leah, I didn't mean to forget you. But yes, yours is coming up within the next week or so. After that, we have Sheena's coming up, and then and Selena's NCW coming up, and then of course Mary and Mandy's as soon as I get that fabric from Spoonflower. I also have Carol's Summit Crossbody. So I said I am running about 5-6 days behind. I apologize for that. I've gone back to work a little bit part-time, so I am doing the bookkeeping that I do, so I have been doing that during the day as well. So yesterday was my 45th birthday. My first birthday in a long time. I haven't gone out with friends or family or what have you. It's really weird with the whole COVID thing, but we had a lovely evening. My husband and my sons got little cupcakes, and they sang happy birthday to me, and we watched Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, and we ordered in Kelly O'Brien's, which is my favorite restaurant here in town, and we always go there on my birthday. So it was nice to order that in and at least have that tradition still stay alive. Today, I'm actually going for a backyard visit with my parents for my birthday. We're going to have a picnic, self-isolated, staying away from each other, but it'll be really nice to go to my childhood home and see my parents because I've only seen them once in the last 8 weeks. So yesterday, normally on my birthday, I take my birthday off of work completely, but I got bored sitting around, so I decided for my parents to keep them safe. They're the ones that did give me life, but I made them some masks. I am not selling these due to insurance reasons. These will not make it so you don't get the virus, but they will help in preventing it when you touch your face or what have you. So these are them. This is what I made for them. They cover, I don't want to put it on my face because they're going to be getting it, but they cover and then they go around your ears. These are just really soft hair elastics. So I had to show them off. They're really cute. So my mom gets this one. She has 7 of them because, well, she's a girl. So that one. Some of you may recognize some of these from your bags because this is from my scrap bin of fabrics. So yeah, I will post the link. This was a YouTube pattern and it's amazing. And if you have any sewing ability and want to make yourself some, it was really easy. I started these at about 12 o'clock yesterday. And these ones are for Dad. And I finished them all by 5, and I actually have 8 more cut out that I'm making for my brother and my sister-in-law. So my dad is a pilot. So these are actually leftover scraps from a quilt that I made him like 3 years ago. So yeah, so that's what I did yesterday, and it was really fun. Kind of had a little assembly line going on for these. I know many of you are asking if I can make them, but unfortunately I can't make and sell them because there's just too much liability with them, and I wouldn't want my insurance rates to go way up. So yeah, unfortunately I am not making and selling these. I'm just making them for my friends and my family as gifts. And yeah, but I will share the link in the description of where I got this pattern from because I strongly recommend it. It's free. They come in small, medium, and large for adults, and then she's got kid sizes as well. So if you have quilting cotton lying around, oh, they also have a pocket here, so you can put a filter or what have you in. I mean, filters are just like coffee filters or Blue Shop rags or I don't know what you can use, but you can put stuff into them. So that's what I did yesterday for my birthday. I also made my dad a Just did this morning. A crossbody strap for his gun bag because I made a Hello Kitty one. Now I have made a red vinyl one because the Hello Kitty was kind of a joke and he doesn't need to be displaying that when he's carrying his case. I actually made this for myself. I'll show it here to you. It's excuse the messiness of my floor. I really need to vacuum. This is post project and this is just what happens in this room. But I made this incredibly pretty high-low dress. It turned out amazing. I'm not sure if I'm keeping it for myself or giving it to my mom. She's gonna try it on. She's a little smaller than I am. So if it fits her, it's hers. Otherwise, I'm gonna hold on to it for a special occasion. I just worry that it makes me look too chesty, but it feels amazing on. I just love this dress. It is the Be Dreamy dress by, oh, my camera's all weird, by Ellie and Mac patterns. That's all the patterns I'm learning to sew with. They're amazing. This dress I will make and sell. It will start at $100 for the dress, based on $11 a meter for the fabric. So if you want a Be Dreamy dress, it's $100. If the fabric's $11 a meter, if the fabric is more than that a meter that you choose, then we will just up the price to cover that cost. I don't make any more money from that. It's just to cover the cost of the material. So yeah, I love it. It's very, very pretty. I think if I made it again, I wouldn't do the black top. I think that makes it a little too fancy for everyday wear. But if it was all in that floral fabric, I think it would be a nice casual dress. So yeah, that's all I've done in the last 3 days. Those masks, that crossbody strap, and myself for sew of that dress. So starting this afternoon when I get home, it'll be working on Julie's and Aaliyah's orders and possibly part of Sheena's orders for the next week or so. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm also very excited. I will show you my new setup in here. I moved my ironing board out into the hallway. And so I can set up my serger and my Elna and my Juki and then my vintage and then my Titan machine all in the same area, so I don't have to take anything down. It's just all readily available. So let me show you here. So if we start over here, excuse the mess, there's my serger. And this is what I've called them all. My serger's name is Devin. My friend Alicia is going to laugh at that. There's my Elna machine, my Juki, my vintage Singer, which I actually haven't used very much yet. She's just super pretty. And then, of course, my monster machine, my Titan 5041S, which is my baby. So I'm super, super excited that I have them all set up here. So I can just bounce between machines based on the need of my project. Besides that, nothing else new and exciting. It's a beautiful day today. I'm looking forward to the picnic in my parents' backyard. And yeah, that's it. That's all. I have posted, if you're a bag maker, I am going to be posting today how I made this crossbody strap. I put together a little tutorial to show how I do my crossbody strap. So you can check that out as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, please, please hit subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 likes or 1,000 subscribes so I can go live on YouTube, and every little subscription helps. I will be back next weekend for my next vlog. Thanks everybody. Love you. Bye-bye.